Kamiti ya utungata wa bunge PSC niyo yahithukirie ati o mubunge ta abitha ungi wa bururi ni abatie kwamukira ciringi 250 o mweri cia marihi ma nyumba, mbeca iria ambunge othe na maseneta maiguithanirie kwiriha kuma o mweri ni wa 10 mwaka muthiru.
The country, we must manage our wage bill. Otherwise this country becomes a very unattractive investment destination. You can see that the cost of doing business in this country is too high because of our wage bill.
Ni ikinya riria komiconi ya SRC yareganire nario na njira nene kuona niyo iri na rutha rwa kugathika mucara wa aruti a wira wa muingi, na PSC megathikiire kigina kiu matekuria ciuria, na riu ona mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga niokiriire ikinya ria bunge.
I stand strongly in support of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission in this matter. And the Salaries and Remuneration Commission was given the powers in the Constitution to set the salaries and remuneration of all public servants. And public servants include members of parliament.
Thutha wa kuhanda cira igoti-ini makiregana na ikinya riri ria komiconi iyo ya bunge, riu Mucirithania munene David Maraga ni amurite ndundu ya acirithania atatu Pauline Nyamoya, Weldon Korir na John Mativo niguo manjiririe guthikiriria cira ucio uria uraririo tariki 25 mweri uyu igoti-ini ria gigatiba na kihoto.
The moment Parliament adds itself salaries, tomorrow there will be teachers, the other day there will be nurses, and there will be doctors. So our members of Parliament should be an example to our members of County Assembly. In fact, seeing the state of this economy and reducing the wage bill.
Ciira-ini ucio SRC irenda marihi macio marugamio, ambunge othe mathwo marihe bururi mbeca iria marihitwo kuma o mweri wa 10. Ambunge othe a memba a PSC matacukirio makinya o hamwe na mwandiki wa PSC uria ni wekarani wa bunge ya Senate. No na mbere ya cira ucio uthikiririo, ambunge matiratigithiria Mukenya ni amu ambunge aya na maseneta ni mathundurite marihi mangi mageni maria mareta marihi ma cikaro cia utuku, kuria o mubunge aria mukagira gatagati ga ciringi 18,000 na 24,000 o muthenya, na kuona cikaro cia bunge ni maita mana o kiumia, mubunge aria mukagira ciringi 96,000 o kiumia, iria ni ciringi 384 o mweri.
All right, thank you.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.